awaken to a shift in the air. A quiet pull, the universe calling your name. Not chance but alignment, a cosmic affair. Turning points whisper, igniting the flame. History's moments, ordinary souls rise, standing on edges of extraordinary skies. Before October 18, feel the vibe, this isn't random, it's your chosen tribe. Timing ain't clocks, it's recognition's art. When inside aligns with the beat of your heart. Look back at choices, calls, meetings so small, they changed everything, answering the call. Pay attention, the moment's here. Whispers nudge, drawing near. Down they creep, but trust the pull. Open doors, let your heart be full. Before the window closes tight, step into the light, ignite the night. This is your chosen time to see transformations calling. Set yourself free. Life's rhythms flow in seasons unseen. Windows open, close like a dream. The phone call dream or a stranger's not unlocks the path where you've always trod. Skepticism rises, fear holds you back. But what if you're right? Cut yourself slack. Not magic, just awareness awake. Honoring nudges for your own sake. Faith and timing intertwine. Not force, but trust in the divine. One small yes, a brave first step, reveals the path you won't regret. Pay attention, the moment's here. Whispers nudge, drawing near. Down they creep, but trust the pull. Open doors, let your heart be full. Before the window closes tight, step into the light, ignite the night. This is your chosen time to see transformations calling. Set yourself free. No trumpets blare, no lights flash bright. Purpose whispers in the quiet night. Regrets the thief if you let it pass. Say yes to the call, raise your glass. You're not alone in this sacred space. Gathering souls in timing's grace. The pull is real. The moment's now. Trust the shift. Take the vow. Stories unfolding, small faithful choices, adding up to echoes of distant voices. You've weathered storms, celebrated wins. Now open to where the new begins. Before October What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? Drawing near. This is your chosen time to see transformations calling.